back to Darling Nana's YouTube channel. And today we're going to be making fried fish. So you're going to need some fried fish, or not fried fish, I'm sorry, raw fish. You're going to want to prepare them one day before you actually fry them. So you're going to need to make them cool because they're usually with ice and they're hard. So you're going to want them to cool in the sink or somewhere until they don't have that much ice. Once they don't have that much ice, you can put them in a separate bowl. You can put a little bit of black pepper, salt, and some lemon. You mix them up, and then yeah. So that's what we have right here. Well, you cut them up too, so don't forget that. So we cut it up, take off the bones. You're gonna and for the and for this, for the frying part, you're gonna need 1 teaspoon black pepper, which we have right here. 1 tablespoon of salt. Sorry. You're gonna need 1.5 cups of tapioca powder, which we already put in here. So yeah, we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 egg, mineral water, which we have here. We're gonna need like half a cup, half a cup of mineral water. You're gonna need oil for frying, of course. Some little pinchers, or I don't know what they're called, but like you're gonna need some of these. You're gonna need a lime. You're gonna need like a little thing. It's this. You're gonna need like a tray similar to this or something like that, because like it's like a bowl down here and then like it's like a top. So the oil drains to the bottom and it doesn't it's not that, oily. So yeah. So we already mixed it over here. We already have the tapioca, the salt, and everything in here. All we do is we get the fish and dip in here, and then we dip it over there. And so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. We're gonna get a close up in a little bit. And then, once you dipped it in here already, you're gonna carefully set it in to the oil. The oil was already heating up, so it's already nice and warm. And ours floats to the top, so our fish floats to the top. And it's hot, so be careful. And you want adult supervision. You want to make sure it's nice and doesn't stick around. You're gonna want to make sure once you take it out, it's golden brown. And like this, look at this. And so we put that over here. Yeah.